Morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Tuesday, December 15th. After yesterday's generally higher trade, we're a little bit easier in the overnight session. Wheat prices are down around 3 cents, corn down a penny, beans down 2 cents. Meal's unchanged, but oil continues its slide. It's down around 30 points in the overnight trade. Malaysian palm oil market pretty negative as well in its overnight session. Kind of in a lull right now, I think, in between the recent USDA December report and the all-important January report. The report itself in December was a non-bullish event, so that keeps markets capped underneath $5 wheat, $4 corn, $9 beans. We're also monitoring politics, both in the U.S. and abroad, Argentina in particular. Their president went and lowered the taxes on corn and wheat and also lowered them on soybeans. We'll also see if they devalue their peso. All this is leading into the hands of the farmer potentially releasing stored supplies over the past 2-3 years and or increasing their planted acreage going forward in here. So that's a non-bullish event. The other politics is U.S. We're going to go and see if Congress wants to go and give soybean oil producers $1 credit to go and produce biodiesel. But a lot of that's really been played into the market at this point in time, so that may be something that's more or less buy the rumor, sell the fact. The other thing is we're watching U.S. export demand, both domestically and externally. Yesterday's exports continue to show how we're running behind a year-ago pace for wheat, corn, and beans, so that remains a non-bullish event. Later on this morning, we're going to get a monthly NOPA crush report. We'll see how that pans on out versus trade expectations. And the other things that we're watching, 2 other South American weather. Right now, it doesn't seem to be any type of adverse conditions down there, but that's always going to be important going forward in here, but that remains non-bullish. And then the other thing will be, as far as politics, macro, U.S. dollar, U.S. interest rates. The trade will be monitoring that going forward in here as well, but that seems to be a non-bullish event as well. So as you can tell, all my talking points aren't very highlighted to go and have a sustained rally on the upside, and if anything, it still seems to keep the market on the defensive. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.